Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2001 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. Really nice color combination on this bike, the dark blue and the light blue. Silver and blue trim stripe. It's real nice. Upgraded with Vance and Hines slip-on mufflers, has a real nice sound. It's a twin cam 88 with a 5-speed. Whoever had this bike took really good care of it. See, it does have a few little signs of wear on it. Nothing major that I could see, just typical use, not abuse. A little rock peck or two around, but not bad at all. Bike's got a good tire on front here. Wagon wheel, aluminum spoke rims. Full onboard electronics. CB. This one is reaching back a little bit. It's got the cassette player in it, but it does have a jack here, an auxiliary jack that you can plug your iPod or iPhone or something in. Full instrumentation. It's got the low profile windshield with the 3-pouch bag on it. Electronic cruise control. It is a fuel injected bike. It's just got typical little signs on it. There's a little rub right there from when that bag lid opens. Good tire on the rear. A little mark here on the tour pack. Tiny little speck right there. A little rub here. It may have something on there that I'm not seeing, but it's not been abused at all. It was ridden less than 5,000 miles a year. Being a 01, it's got 64,297 miles on it. Still runs like a champ. Motor sounds real good. I didn't hear any kind of knocking, rattling, tapping, or any of that business. No smoke. Motor's really nice and quiet. See, it's got some just a little bit of fading here on the top of the inner fairing, and I noticed over here it had a little rub right in here on top of the fairing. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. We'll go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We'll take almost anything in on trade. We're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.